In previous video, I have created the service layer for author. Now in this video, I will demonstrate you how to create the controller. Right click, add new folder, controller, right click, add new controller, choose API with controller with read-write action. Give the name author. Okay. As you can see, it will automatically generate the four function. So I have to inject the service to the controller. First of all, private read only I service, add the reference, create the constructor, inject the services. I what the services offer. Now change the signature and return type as per our author services here. Change string to author. Now update author services dot get author person. Similarly, I have to do this for author task written update author services dot get author by ID. Similarly for post, author written update author dot create author. Similarly for delete, written update. I have to change this also like as we do in post method. And for delete, volume update author dot delete author. Why is giving the error? My mistake. I have to do only this one. Now I have to change the implementation also. So go to implementation. Where is delete, delete, delete? Here. Now it's fine. Everything is corrected. Just in the project. Now I have created the controller repository, generic repository service layer. Now in the next video I have to add the connection string.